All right, this is day 5, lesson 24, estimating and measuring liquid volume. 242 is the page. So you know the deal with lesson or day 5s. You need to try these on your own because it's not going to help you to just keep hitting play. So, number 1, I'll read it. You pause and answer and see if you're correct. What's the worst that's going to happen? You're just going to have to pause it, erase, and fix. It's not that big a deal. So try it on your own. So our number 1, Rosa makes tomato juice. Tell whether each sentence about the tomato juice in the measuring cup is true or false. So it's asking about this measuring cup. So A, there are 4 pints of tomato juice in the measuring cup. Is that true or false? Is there 4 pints? Is there 4 pints in here? Pause the video, answer, and then unpause. The answer is false. There's only 2 pints in here. B, there are 4 cups. I would underline these as you go so you don't forget. There are 4 cups of tomato juice in the measuring cup. Pause it, answer, unpause for the answer. 4 cups. So here's the cup side. You should have answered true. There are 4 cups in here. C, there are 2 pints of tomato juice in the measuring cup. Pause. You should have answered true. There are 2 pints. D, there are 6 cups of tomato juice in the measuring cup. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's nothing else. You should have answered false. Number 2, Patty needs about 2 cups of paint to paint a dollhouse. Which container holds about 2 cups of paint when it is full? Use the picture of a 1-cup container to help you. Select the 2 correct answers. Look at this. There is 2 answers that are right. So do not circle 1. Do not circle 4. 2. Only 2. TWO. 2 answers. Here's the picture. So which 2 of these will hold 2 cups? So you need 2 of these. So we need 2 of these. So which one of these would hold 2? Well, this isn't very big. This is huge. So that's my one guess. That's my one helpful hint. Then I want you to pause. Well, that's too big. Let's look at it again. That's way too little. Okay? That one's too little. So the only 2 options you have left are B and D. And those 2 are the correct answers. Now, let's look at number 3. Anna pours 1 pint of water into a fish bowl. About what is the liquid volume of the fish bowl? 2 pints or 4 pints? Use the picture to help you. So in here is only 1 pint. So all this water so far is 1 pint. So it wants to know is, will 2 fill it up or 4? Pause. All right, now you should have put in a sentence the volume of the fishbowl is 2 pints. All right, number 4. Right here. The water from this container is poured into the measuring cup. So they already poured it out. How many pints of water were in the container? So how much was in here to begin with? So you're going to have to count. My one hint to you is make sure you either use pints or you use cups. Do not use both. So pause. Your answer should have been, there's 2 ways to do this. I will accept either way. You went with my helpful hint. Either use cups or pints. So you should have either put the container held. So if you did pints, you would have looked at pints. on each container that had 2 pints. I'm going to put a P. 2 pints, 2 pints, and 2 pints. And you could have skip counted. 2, 4, 6, 8. You should have said 8 pints. Okay. Or you could have done it in cups. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, I'm going to put a C. Cup, 4, cup, 4, cup, 4, cup. And then you could have skipped counted by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Or you could have put 16 cups. Which 16 cups is equal to 8 pints anyway. Or no, actually it's equal to more pints. But either one of these I would have accepted. So if you got one of those, you got it correct.